What if I told you a single deal between two tech giants just sent shockwaves through the entire global economy? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover how a chipmaker's partnership with Meta is fueling a massive AI relief rally, why markets from Tokyo to Nairobi are reacting, and what President Trump's next move could mean for your investments. The story starts with a number, 6 gigawatts. That's the power behind a deal that changed everything overnight. Meet Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, a semiconductor company that just became the center of the AI universe. On April 9, 2025, in a foreign exchange dealing room in Seoul, traders watched screens light up green. But here's the twist. This wasn't about currencies. It was about chips, AI chips, and a deal so big it erased billions in market fear in a single day. For months, investors have been terrified. The narrative was that artificial intelligence would disrupt everything, that it would destroy jobs, upend whole industries, and create massive volatility. That fear was real, it was palpable. And then something shocking happened. Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook, announced a multi-year deal with AMD. The partnership, to deploy up to 6 gigawatts of AMD's graphics processing units to build AI data centers. Meta is also investing directly in AMD through a warrant for up to 160 million shares. This is a seismic shift. But here's what nobody was talking about. Just a week before, Meta said it was using millions of chips from NVIDIA, the current AI darling. The market thought it was a one-horse race. This deal proves it's not. It's a validation of the entire AI infrastructure boom, and the global markets reacted instantly. Overnight in the United States, shares of AMD jumped a staggering 8.8%. The S&P 500 advanced 0.77% to close at 6,890.07. The Nasdaq Composite, home to tech, rose 1.04% to 22,863.68. Even the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the blue chip index, added 370 points, supported by a nearly 2% rise in Home Depot after an earnings beat. But the story doesn't end on Wall Street. This is a true Asia-Pacific story. As the sun rose in the east, the rally crossed oceans. Australia's S&P ASX 200 climbed 0.76% in early trade. Futures for Japan's Nikkei 225 pointed to a strong open, with contracts in Chicago at 58,140. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index futures were also higher at 26,763. From Sydney to Hong Kong to Tokyo, the message was clear: the AI panic is over for now. The relief is real. But here's the part that will blow your mind. This all happened against the backdrop of another major event. Investors worldwide were also watching, waiting for U.S. President Donald Trump's customary State of the Union address later that same day. The timing is everything. A tech rally providing a bullish backdrop for a major presidential speech. The implications are huge. Some say this deal shows AI is entering a mature, multi-vendor phase, which is healthy for long-term growth. Others warn the volatility is just beginning, and today's relief could be tomorrow's sell-off. The controversy is clear. Is this the start of a sustainable bull run, or just a temporary pause in the AI anxiety? But one question remains unanswered for every investor watching from Nairobi to New York. If Meta is betting billions on both NVIDIA and AMD, who is the real winner in the AI arms race? We started with a shock, a deal that moved global markets. We saw the setup, the fear, the panic over AI disruption. We followed the escalation, the Meta-AMD partnership that changed the narrative overnight. We've seen the impact from Wall Street to the Asia-Pacific. Now, the payoff. Do you think this AI relief rally has legs, or is it just a one-day wonder? Will President Trump's address tonight boost markets further or change the game entirely? Drop your take in the comments. And subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that connects global finance to your future.